Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. This is one of the clients I showed in a come to work with me vlog. I wanted to show you guys a more detailed version of her silk press. So right now I'm just making sure that her hair is completely dry. This is key to making sure her hair does not revert back, especially during the summer months because we're fighting humidity and things of that nature. I'm gonna go in with the heat protecting serum. I like to make sure that I get the heat protectant everywhere. So as you can see, I'm going on the tips of the hair, the edges of the hair, just making sure I really work the product into the hair strands. This part can seem a little tedious, but this is what I like to do to ensure that the hair is completely protected. Yes, I'm going in one more time to hit those ends. I just want to be as cautious as possible. Now I'm spraying a humidity spray. I like to use this to help the hair fight against humidity, especially during the summer months. I straighten the edges first. I am going to make an in-depth video on how I straighten the edges. When I'm straightening, I do like to take smaller pieces just to make sure the hair is getting as straight as possible. Now I'm going in with holding spray to help the curls last longer. My client wanted her curls more on the medium side, so as I'm curling, I'm making sure not to twist the flat iron too soon so that I don't create a curl that's too tight. And you'll see me twisting the curl at the end. This is to help set the curl in place. A trick that I also learned is if you want your client's hair to look fuller, you want to section off bigger pieces when you're curling. Now I'm just separating the curls. This is going to create more volume and make the hair look a little more effortless. So she could wrap her hair up into a bun to help preserve her curls. Hope you guys enjoyed this more detailed version of her silk press. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.